Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to log into Facebook using your Gmail account in just a few simple steps. Whether you're new to Facebook or just switching login methods, this guide will make it quick and easy. First, open your favorite web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you prefer. In the address bar at the top, type facebook.com and press enter. You'll be taken straight to the Facebook homepage. Here, you'll see the login section prominently displayed. Next, click on the email field and enter your full Gmail address carefully. Double check for any typos because even a small mistake can prevent you from logging in. After that, move on to the password field and type in the password linked to your Gmail account. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so make sure your caps lock is off unless needed. Once both fields are filled, simply click the login button. If everything is correct, you'll be redirected to your Facebook feed where you can start connecting with friends, exploring updates, and enjoying all of Facebook's features instantly. A few quick tips. Always use a secure network to keep your account safe, and if remembering passwords is tricky, a password manager can be a lifesaver. And that's it. Logging into Facebook with Gmail has never been easier. You're now ready to enjoy your Facebook experience more securely and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.